What's up, everyone? It's me, ATO3, and if you have anything better to do before this video, you may as well do it. And let's get right into it. So this is the first part of a series that will only continue if you guys wanted to, vote. So this is about how to join a Minecraft server. No, it's not. I'm sorry, sir. Oh, yes, it is. It isn't about a Minecraft server, but it's more about how we can solve a algebraic equation. Today we'll be talking about orders, or the order of operations, opposites, and absolute value. Let's begin. So yeah, these are what I just said we'll be talking about. Here we have PEMDAS. If you've never heard of it, it's simply an abbreviation to show the different things that the order of operations. So here you see I've done an example for you guys already. We have order of operations is parentheses, exponents. You have to do them in this order from top to bottom. Now multiplication or division. So I said from top to bottom, but like these ones can be or. So from right to left, which one comes first in the equation can be done first. Addition or subtraction, so whichever one is once again from right to left. But that's after the ones on top, like parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division. So practically this is number 1, parentheses, number 2, and then this is number 3, or this could be number 3 based on what's from right to left first, and this could be number 4, or this could be number 4 based on what's from right to left. So here's the example I gave you guys. So, quick thing about tech, this means division / fractions, or fractions, and this means multiplication. Thanks for that. So here it's 2 times 2, so parentheses are first, so you do everything inside the parentheses first. Then so the 3 halves becomes 4 1/2 because it's multiplied by 3. If you think of it as a fraction, then we add up. We subtract first to -2 plus 2 plus 1/2, and then we get -2 and 2 cross each other out, so we just get 2 times 1/2, and that gets us to 1. So that's why 1 is our answer here. I could put in another equation, so let's to do here. So we're gonna do 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 times 4. 4. And we'll put this like this. So this step 1 would be to step 1 would be to get the parentheses down. So our parentheses, inside of our parentheses, we have a 3 times 3 minus 2. We're going to make that 1 plus 2 minus, now we have 12 here, 3 times 4. So now we're going to do 3 plus 2 minus 12, which now becomes 5 minus 12. Therefore, the answer is, well, -12 minus 5. This is just another method to solve it. So that would become -7. So the -12 minus 5 doesn't have to happen if you can do that in your head. But this is a quick method if you want to do -12 minus 5. So that falls in with opposites, our next topic. So on opposites, you see here, -2 and 2, 1 and -1, 5 and -5 are all opposites. So here, let me show you some opposite problems. So look, so you have 4, but then you have -4. This becomes -4, the opposite of 4. And then here, you have 2 minus 4, so then it becomes -2. So a double negative makes a positive, if you've ever heard that term before. So this would become 2. Simple as that. Now, inside, you see the negative. If I had this, and then I decided to put this let's say I put it like this, and I just put, actually it would be more like this if you guys are curious. It'll be more like this, where you have the parentheses and then you have the brackets, because the brackets are usually in most case scenarios on the outside versus the parentheses. So when this happens, now suddenly you have negative. Now we can just change this to parentheses now again. 2 plus 4, and so then we have negative, and then we have 6, and suddenly we have negative 6. So that's why opposites are very important. And now I'm gonna make you forget all that. Well, try to remember. But I can make -1 and 1 equal. So that might not make any sense right now. How, ATO3, are you making these equal? You just said they were opposites. Yes, they are opposites, but if you put 2 signs next to them, which are this and this, they become equal. So any 2 numbers that are positive and negative can become equal. So let's look here. So 2 plus 2 would equal 4. 4 between these 2 things is 4. Now -2 minus 2 is -4. And now between these things is 4. So it's always positive. So how does this work? Why would you ever do this sort of thing? So let's say you had distance. You're going 5 feet forward or 5 feet backwards. So if you use backwards as a negative, then therefore it wouldn't really be negative, because you're still going 4 feet. So if you walk 4 feet backwards, you're not doing the opposite of exercise. You're still exercising. You're just going -4 feet from the place you're supposed to go, because you're going away from it. But let's say you go 0. Now 0 is never affected by any of these things, because 0 is a very, very unique number. So therefore 0 isn't affected. I hope you guys understood everything in our video. First, let me give it a sum up. Order of operation, PEMDAS. You have to do it in this order. 1, 2, 3, also 3, 4, and also 4. Opposites. One thing can be the opposite of another. An absolute value with these 2 signs, you can make any negative number equal to a positive number. So thank you so much for watching. If you want the second part of this, go ahead and give this video a nice like, vote in the poll in the card. Go ahead, subscribe to our gaming channel if you like gaming content. Our main channel if you like content like that. You can go ahead and check out this playlist right there, and subscribe on the bottom. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.